Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of how to log in. So today's video is about how we can create Tinder account on our phone. So let's begin, but firstly, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you won't be missing any upcoming updates in the future. So now in order to create an account on Tinder, we'll firstly have to open the app. You can download the app from Play Store or also watch our previous video in order to learn how we can download Tinder app on our phone. And as you can see, we have three options over here: login with Google, login with Facebook, and also login with phone number. But for this video, you can choose any of the options. I would like to go with login with phone number. Now let's continue, and here you'll have to type your phone number. So let's do that and again continue. And now you'll have to wait for your code for a few seconds. So let's wait for the code, and when you receive the code, let's continue with it. And as now you have received the code, let's continue, and here you'll have to type your email, or you can also continue with Google, but I would like to go with my email number for right now. So here you are welcomed on Tinder, so we will have to agree with the policy, and now we have to write our first name. So let's do that and let's continue again. And Tinder will ask you some of your personal information, and you'll have to type your birth date at first. So let's continue, and you must be at least 18 years old in order to be on this app. So I am a woman, and let's continue. My sexual orientation is straight. Continue. Show me men. Continue. And now you'll also have to give information about your college or somewhere you study. So let's do it and continue with it. And you have to at least select three of your interests, so you can choose any of the options from here, and let's continue with it. And you at least need any two pictures to be on Tinder. Now as you can see, I have already uploaded any two pictures of mine, so let's continue from it. And here you'll have to enable your location so that people will be able to know your location on Tinder. And let's continue with the term and policies of Tinder. And you can see we have officially created an account on Tinder. So thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, do like and subscribe to our channel.